I love to start with the first question, basic, लोगों के point of view से, MSME stars है क्या?
ओके हाय नमस्कार सो मी जर उभं राहून बोलतो मी
Yes, yes,
कम्फर्टेबल आहे
yes,
सॉरी
yes.
सो यू नो मेरा एक छोटा सा किस्सा बोलता हूँ मैं जब 27 साल पहले जब मैंने सोचा लेट्स डू बिजनेस सो आई वेंट टू वन ऑफ माई रिलेटिव एंड आई टुक एडवाइस फ्रॉम हिम दैट आई वॉन्ट टू डू बिजनेस एंड फॉर 3 hours ही मोटिवेटेड मी हाउ टू नॉट टू डू बिजनेस कैसे मत करो और वो शौक इतना लग गया ना पर मैंने किया मैंने शुरुआत की 27 साल के पहले शुरुआत की आई एम एबल टू स्टार्ट 7 brands और उसी से मेरे दिमाग में आया कि नाउ एवरी एंटरप्रेन्योर नीड्स अ प्लेटफॉर्म सो लोकल बंधन इज डेफिनेटली अ ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर एवरीवन फ्रॉम अ स्टूडेंट टू एनीवन लाइक स्टूडेंट हो एंटरप्रेन्योर हो हाउसवाइफ हो हर जन के लिए वो एक प्लेटफॉर्म आई टेल यू वी डील फ्रॉम अ पिंपल टू अ ब्रेकअप वी डू एवरीथिंग वी guide people on various subjects we touch all the human aspects of life and then we thought of that entrepreneurs के लिए एक अलग segment होना चाहिए that is MSME so MSME is very simple जो भी महाराष्ट्र में है और अभी भारत में है we would like to scale up we would like to take their whatever they are missing out or whatever they are not able to do in a group we would like to do and then I'll give it to PN so he will elaborate that how were we going to do
Yes, तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वही तो मैंने पूछा था कि what MSME stars and local बंधन is all about तो सर ने जैसे बताया बट आई वुड लव टू कम टॉक टू सर ऑल्सो कि सर एज आई सेड कि नॉलेज तो चाहिए हम सबको लेकिन उसके साथ ही जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कोई भी बिजनेस शुरू करने के लिए वो कौन सी है पैसे एब्सोल्युटली मनी तो कैसे रुपी बॉस पहले तो ये नाम बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है सर तो इसका कोई आपका स्टोरी है व्हाट एग्जैक्टली रुपी बॉस इज इनटू
Actually, we had a group company by the name of Policy Boss, which takes care of all the insurances.
Oh.
Simultaneously, we thought of having Rupee Boss so that which can take care of all the financial part of the business.
So the boss is common.
Boss is common.
Yes, very good. Yes, sir. So Rupee Boss, how Rupee Boss helps entrepreneurs and how it works basically? What is the platform is all about?
Yeah, I think it is important to give neutral platform to MSMEs in India. Now, I explain this to everybody saying that if an MSME wants a loan today in the marketplace, how does he know that which bank will give him the best rate of interest? Which bank will give him the maximum loan amount possible against the collateral which he is offering? And which bank will give him the maximum loan amount at the minimum turnaround time? Can he get a loan in 1 week time, 10 days time, right? And the other charges associated with the loan, prepayment penalty, processing fee. So there are so many charges attached to the loan, right? So as a customer, you may go to one bank, two bank, and my question is, how do you know those two are the best? So what we do is we are a neutral platform. We compare with 100+ banks in NBFCs, and we'll come and sit with the MSME. Now, here are these 4-5 banks, which is good for these many issues. Let's choose one of them. Whichever bank or NBFC MSME chooses, we go with them. We do not have any vested interest.
Oh.
We're okay with him going with anybody, which will give him the best deal. And that, I think, helps the MSME to choose the right lending partner because his turnover, his growth is linked to the adequate working capital being given at the affordable cost. And that part we address in a very big way in the country today.
Wow. Yes, can we have a big round of applause for yes पैसे मिलेंगे सर का नाम रुपी बॉस का नाम अगर आपको if you have a right project and all the documentation I think रुपी बॉस is the right platform to connect with. Sir, highest ऐसा कोई amount है that we have released जैसे last time we have also discussed कि कितना बड़ा portfolio हमने अब तक आज तक बनाया है.
Yeah, so far we have helped disburse about 15,000 crore nationally in the country.
Wow,
today.
that was 15,000 crore. क्या बात है sir. Thank you so much. Over to Sagar sir. Sir, last time also we connected with few entrepreneurs at Dhule. So would you like to share anything? कुछ ऐसे patented business जिनको हमने guide किया है या फिर ऐसे कुछ लोग जो जुड़े हैं हमारे साथ?
Yes, absolutely. Like from Jalgaon, there was one person who was having banana cookies patent. There was a person from Hingoli जिनके पास हल्दी का बिजनेस है, जो अपने श्री मोदी सर को 4 मिनट जाके मिले हुए हैं. यू नो, महाराष्ट्र में टियर 2 टियर 3 सिटीज़ में इतने बढ़िया बिजनेस चलते हैं. आई वुड से द प्रॉब्लम नहीं बोलूँगा, मैं ये कहूँगा कि चैलेंजेस क्या है. चैलेंजेस है कि दे आर नॉट गेटिंग गाइडेंस. They want to, they can scale up to IPO. They can go, they can reach, I think, anywhere, right? Only the problem is छोटा छोटा guidance. जैसे कोई steps होती है, वहाँ पे गलती होती है. जैसे मैंने बहुत सारे लोगों को mentoring करता हूँ, उनका turnover करोड़्स में है, पर उनके अभी भी पार्टनरशिप है या प्रोपराइटरशिप है. These are so basic things. So यहाँ बेसिक से लेके ग्रूमिंग, ब्रांडिंग, उसके बाद आपका ओवरऑल अपस्केलिंग. सो आई टेल यू वेरी फ्रैंकली, बाय गॉड्स ग्रेस, Local Bandhan has got 200 plus experts from all the fields. आप finance बोलो, so finance for finance, so we will come up with that news. But for loans हो या investments हो या फिर grooming हो, हर सारे experts हमारे पास है. Even if there are any government schemes, so उसके लिए हमारे पास experts है. और वो already उस ओहदे पे बैठे हैं कि जहाँ पे वो लोग on the one click they can pass the whatever facility to the entrepreneurs.
वाओ, सुपर. सो इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो मुझे लगता है हमें लोकल बंधन के पास जाना है, और पैसे चाहिए तो हमें लगता है हमें रुपी बॉस के पास जाना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो कॉम्बिनेशन है यहाँ पे. एंड सर, एक लास्ट, हम लोग गेटवे पे हैं, राइट? मुंबई में है. मुंबई, ऐसे कहा जाता है कि मुंबई सपनों का शहर है. तो एक लास्ट वर्ड्स के, कैसे लोकल बंधन यहाँ पे जो बैठे हमारे एंटरप्रेन्योर्स हैं, उनको हम लोग कैसे और तरीके से सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं?
Yeah, so that is the news. Me and PN, we were planning for, I think, lot of months, and today we would like to take this to the next step. We are joining hands. We are going to sign a MOU in front of everyone.
Wow.
And this MOU would be very clear that we are going to be a part, because Local Bandhan is a guidance platform where we can give guidance, we can groom, we can shape up, and Rupee Boss is someone who can take care of the next level. And we are going to go first everywhere in Maharashtra and then Bharat, right?
I think
Superb,
this is
superb.
the age of collaboration.
Yes.
I think even this, all the MSMEs should do this wherever possible. I think it is important that wherever you get expertise, go and collaborate so that you can scale faster. Now that, say, Local Bandhan works with a lot of MSMEs. And those MSMEs need guidance for finance too. So it makes sense for Rupee Boss to work with Local Bandhan. In fact, for the last few days, whenever I talk about, say, I need a connect here, so Sagar will end up saying, I know this person, I can introduce you to him. So he's already introduced 2 people where, in fact, in Dhule, we got a lot of connects there, and we're starting Rupee Boss in Dhule.
Wow.
So likewise, wherever they have connect, we will end up having Rupee Boss, having its office and people there. And that's how we'll reach. Our goal is to reach 1 lakh MSMEs on the platform by 31st March 2025. I think
Wow,
with
super.
the help of Local Bandhan, it will be fast forwarded.
Super. So as they say, your network will increase your net worth. Am I right, sir? So can we have a big round of applause for Rupee Boss and Local Bandhan? So can we sign MOU right here? मुझे नहीं लगता इससे बढ़िया जगह मुंबई, वो भी गेटवे के सामने, सर. I think we are very, very, very lucky to sign this MOU here. Can we have MOU here, please, to sign?
I think
Yes.
we should thank Purnima ji for that.
Are Purnima madam, yes, please.
Thanks a lot. Yes, absolutely. The credit goes to her. We are able to sign it because of her.
So I request team कि can we play Local Bandhan का music please? ये बजना चाहिए यार. Come on. By the time they sign, and I request all of you to please give them a big round of applause and music.